Hello guys, and today I'm going to teach you how to install TerraFirmaCraft for single player and setting up a multiplayer server to an extent. So first off, you're going to download the mods. The link to the TerraFirmaCraft page is going to be available in the description and possibly an annotation on the video somewhere. Well, it'll be pretty obvious. All the other links that you'll need are on there. I've already had the mods downloaded though, and in my mods folder in my Minecraft shit folder. Anyway, so you're gonna want to open up your .minecraft, go to bin, Minecraft, and then you're gonna open it with WinRAR, and of course close all of WinRAR's annoying shit, and you're gonna need Minecraft Forge, Universal. You could get the single player. I don't even think they're making single player ones anymore, actually. So, of course, it's simple. You just copy and paste all of this into the jar. Now, this is the key difference between setting up the server and the single player. Single player, you delete the meta inf. So we're just gonna delete that. Because you're using universal files, especially because Player API is now universal as well, it is exactly the same installation. With that is the only difference. The server absolutely must retain its meta.inf file, otherwise it will not work. Now, this doesn't always work, but occasionally. Oh shit! I put Forge in first. I mean API in first. Herp derp. Anyway, so this doesn't always work, but it occasionally does. You could put in both Forge and Player API in the same step, though always put API in second, of course. Sometimes it will not work, and sometimes you'll have to install just Forge and then install Player API. So I'm doing it both in one step at this point, so I'm gonna delete the new meta.inf. It has, because Forge is universal, it has a meta.inf file for the server as well. So now that that's done, we're going to close it. We won't need that again. And is this... okay, yeah, this is on my desktop. So now we're going to go to local disk C, users, wherever you have your .minecraft. I have my vanilla one in here right now, so I'm going to take it out and move it somewhere. Just put it here. This is for 1.4. It's what I've been using for the you know what? Cancel. I'll just reinstall it. So that's what I've been using for the obviously 1.4 vanilla for playing the Uncharted Territory 2 by AmLab. And then you're just gonna move it in, if you don't already have it in there. Sometimes it's more convenient to keep it on your desktop. Log in, and if you see this, you've done it correctly. Now we're not quite done yet. As you can see, we have Forge, mod loader, and code pack. I don't think API shows up. Now this last part is extremely easy. Open .minecraft. You'll see a ton of new files in there generated by Forge. You go to mods, you take your TerraFirma download, which is currently build 60, and you drag it and drop. And I need to keep a copy as well, so I'm gonna put one back. So now that that's done, you can close this, and congratulations, you are now running TerraFirmaCraft. And easy way to check, just go to mods, and there you go. That's not there, you screwed something up. So yeah, that's it. And next time I'll be seeing you will be in TerraFirmaCraft, probably. Anyways, that's all. Hope you guys found this useful. And yeah, if you guys need any help, post in the comments. As for the server, if you need... the installation's exactly the same again, just leave the meta.inf. And yeah, I'll even show you. You actually make sure to get the Minecraft server in a jar file as well, not the exe. That's the other thing. When you download it, jar, not exe. It's in the same area, just a bit lower in the blob of text. Now, you could host this locally, and you know what? I'll show you guys how to connect to a local host as well. This is what you do if you're running, if you're for whatever reason want to run an SMP, maybe to have time go by faster. But so you just go to direct connect and type in localhost, all one word, and you'll connect. And yeah, I was messing around in creative mode with this, screwing about. So yeah, that's it. That's all I was playing it for. But because you can now edit the year length, you don't need to do that anymore. And you know what? Fuck it. I'll get that done in this tutorial as well. To edit the year length, you're just gonna go to your .minecraft, and you're gonna go into config. Whenever you update, you're going to want to delete this, and that means you're also going to have to reset your options as well. So you're going to want to go to open, and open with WordPad or Notepad. I don't have Notepad for some reason, so it's going to be with WordPad. And here you go. Here's all the options, the config file. And pretty much everything's listed here. You could change the day length. I'm going to double this. This is what I'm going to be using in the Let's Play. So days will be twice the length. Better grass is on. You could disable it by typing in false. Debug mode, I'm leaving pretty much all of this the same, except that in this version, the single player year length is supposed to be 96. It's currently, he forgot to change it, and so it's 360. So what you want to do when you want to set the year length is find a multiple of 12 that you like, that along with the day length, of course. So I'm gonna go for about, let's see, it's either 6 or 7 days. I think I'm gonna go 6 days, so that's gonna be 72. So the year is now 72 days long, meaning 6 Minecraft days is a month. And then there's all these other mechanics you could change. You could change collapse mechanics, and all that stuff, collapse ratios. You could even enable vanilla recipes, so you could get, for those of you who like using tons of redstone, you're going to need this, otherwise you won't be able to get the furnace and smelt cobblestone into smooth stone to make repeaters, and you won't be able to make pistons and other stuff. So, at some point I may enable this if I start doing a lot of redstone stuff, though with how often TerraFirmaCraft changes, I doubt that this will actually get that far. You can enable the vanilla iron recipe as well, which it coincides with that, and gold, and all that stuff. So there's the furnace recipe. The vanilla diamond recipe, actually the vanilla gold and iron allows you to use the gold and iron like you would in vanilla. Now the vanilla diamond recipe, when you get a diamond, you could get gemstones from mining in TerraFirmaCraft, and so when you get a gemstone, occasionally you'll be lucky and find a diamond. Now they have qualities. Anything above a certain quality can be used to make diamond tools, like they can in vanilla. So it's just using TerraFirmaCraft diamonds of a certain quality, getting you vanilla tools. It could also be used if you want to have enchanting tables as well and enchantments. So, yeah, extremely rare. Making enchantment tables extremely rare, all that stuff. But levels are used for something else in this new version as well. Anyways, make sure to save before you close it, so all my settings are saved. Anyways, I guess that's it for this tutorial. If you're having any troubles, leave a comment. I can help you with the single player stuff. I can help you with setting up the multiplayer server. Though opening the ports, power surge. My room is prone to power surges. Anyways, I don't know how to open ports, really. Opening ports is different for each modem and router and ISP. So that is completely up to you. Google is your friend. Learn to use Google. Make sure how to use Google. If you ask me how to open ports, I'm just going to link you to Google. Just warning you. Don't even ask. Anyways, that's it. That's all. I'll see you guys next time.